magkasalungat ang utos. Are your employees getting conflicting instructions from you? Maybe you can resonate with this couple, si Sam at saka si Denise. Meron silang landscaping and garden services that they built together. Meron na silang good reputation, nakakapag-attract na sila ng regular clients, and they work with a team of 5. One project stands out. A client wants a complete garden redesign. Yeah, big job yan, di ba? So Sam told the team leader, gamitin mo yung local stone para sa pathway dahil mas mura at mas natural looking. The team started ordering materials. And the next day, nung bumisita si Denise sa site, nakita niya yung plano and sabi niya, no. Gumamit tayo ng imported tiles para sa pathway dahil mas premium. That's what the clients want. So yung team leader, nalito. Pero ma'am, sabi ni sir na local stone. Sabi ni Denise, basta sundin ninyo ako. Mas kilala ko yung client. So the team ordered tiles. Then Sam came back 2 days later. Siyempre nagulat siya. Bakit yan ang in-order ninyo? Ang bilin ko sa inyo local stone. And the team explained. And si Sam got upset. He canceled the tile order and reordered the stone. Alam mo ba, by the time they resolved it, they had already wasted a week. They paid cancellation fees and it frustrated the team. As a result, yung client nagreklamo tungkol sa delay. Anak, ito yung lesson. Kapag nagbibigay kayo ng conflicting orders sa inyong mga employees, nawawalan kayo ng oras, nawawalan kayo ng confidence and respeto sa isa't isa. Hindi na nila alam kung sinong boss ang tama. And so, either they freeze or they gamble. And don't let that ever happen. Okay? Kaya be business-minded, Pinoy.